When I say bananas, you say peppers. And these things are burning a hole in my hand, in my floor. What is the phrase? Burning a hole in my pocket, I think is how it normally goes. I don't have a pocket large enough to shove these in, but you guys, after questing to Spirit Halloween locations 2 days in a row, I finally found these things, and I am dying to see if I can accurately predict which one is gonna be in each of these packets. So I actually did not know that these are by Culture Fly, because these things did look very, very familiar to me a million years ago, which once again, I can't remember if we did this on my main channel or this channel. I used to do a 90s Nick subscription box. I think it came out like 4 times a year. It was actually pretty cool. It seemed like they made like custom things for each box, and like one time we got an all Are You Afraid of the Dark box, which really just tickled my feathers. But I think one time, a long time ago, we got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. It looked like these ice cream bars that you get off the ice cream truck, and it was one of my favorite things and one of the most memorable things I ever got from one of those subscription boxes. So I do think Culture Fly is that same brand, but I could be wrong, because that honestly might have been almost a decade ago at this point. So these are called meltz, and I think that these are actually exclusives to Spirit Halloween. I could be wrong. I actually never saw until today. They have another series of these like ice cream bar figures, but instead of like Halloween things, they're all Scooby-Doo characters. I'm not that into Scooby-Doo personally. It never did it for me. But what I do love is generic Halloween shapes. So there are 9 spooktacular varieties. Now, what really tickled my feathers, where did that phrase come from, about these is I've been seeing so many people turn these into bag charms. They like drill a little hole into the top, put one of those, like, I think they're called bales, into the top, and then they turn it into a little bag charm, and it is so adorable. The first couple times I saw it, I actually thought it was like a hand sanitizer holder. I had no idea what I was looking at. But yeah, so I am trying to get the candy corn the most. Also a skull and a pumpkin and a bat. So I bought 4 of them because they had close to a whole complete carton today at the Spirit I went to, which was so crazy. I went to a tiny Spirit Halloween. This store was so small, they had no animatronics set up. Like, they only had the little items up at the register, which is honestly like some of my favorite items. It honestly reminds me of this other Halloween store that sadly I don't think exists anymore. It was not called Halloween Town. I don't even think it was called Halloween Express, but I don't know. Sadly, it's been gone for a long, long time now, but they used to have a lot of what is called like the impulse stuff at the checkout, like the pins, the pencils, the giveaway stuff. So that is still like one of my favorite sections at Spirit. But yeah, this store only had costumes. It was wild. So, my mom was there today and she was helping me also like feel the bags, and she picked this one out. She said, I know this is the candy corn. So we're gonna save this one for last. But while I had my mom with me, we like labeled each of them with her little Gudetama post-it notes. So yes, I think that this one is gonna be a skull. Now, there are 2 versions of the skull because there are like 2 chase figures. One is gonna be an alternate version of a ghost. One is an alternate version of the skull. Maybe like inside there will be something that shows us like the colorway of the alternate version. I'm kind of just hoping and dreaming and wishing for just that one. Okay, is it a skull? Drum roll. Oh! Oh my god! Okay, Okay, this is so cool. So I actually did get the chase. I think he's gonna glow in the dark. Oh my god. I just love how these things feel as well. I'm glad that they don't like put complete paper around them, because that's the only drawback is everything is super expensive these days, but these are $15 a bag. So yeah, I feel like it almost, I don't know, like I like mystery boxes and stuff, you guys know, but also like when a mystery item is that expensive, I feel like I used to say that about like the rainbow, not Rainbow High, because they weren't even called that at that point, but do you guys remember those like big things that you like unwrapped like this and made the slime? There was like Poopsie and then one other one, and those were $60 mystery boxes. So I used to always say like, dang, it kind of sucks to spend like so much money on a mystery box and then not get the one you want. So I was shooting for just the plain old white skull, but you guys, I'm just happy that it's a skull. I'm trying to see, I have my light here. Yeah, I feel like this is definitely gonna glow. So hopefully I should have a clip in here of the glowing. Also, you guys, I forgot to hide my hair. So hopefully I have made the Graveyard Girl video by now on my main channel. I gave up on trying to hide my hair because my freaking styling, my heat protectant spray will not be here till Saturday, and no one sells it locally. I could have just gotten another brand, but you guys, this one, pumpkin. That's what we wrote on it. Now I feel like you could be fooled. I feel like the easiest one, if you're looking for the cat, is the cat, because he has two distinctive ears. If this one's not a pumpkin, I bet it's gonna be another skull, because it feels very rounded. And I almost feel like this little stem, the little bat tail, and possibly the point on the witch's hat could kind of trip you up. But yeah, we wrote down pumpkin. Drum roll, please. Is it gonna be a pumpkin? Is it? Oh, okay, I'm not disappointed. It's another skull, so maybe I'm not right all the time. But hey, ooh, this one has like a melty base. I also feel like that is really cool that you can display them like this. Okay, now I feel like maybe I'm trying to see, yeah, they're kind of hollow, because that's the only thing. Like, I feel like sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. Surprise, surprise. With making like charms, because years ago I got a bunch of Lego skulls and I was gonna try and like make a bracelet. Like, you guys know the little like minifigure skull heads, and I broke many tiny drill bits like trying to be able to drill into those to make a bracelet. Okay, I was right one time, wrong another time. This one I did write down bats. We thought this was gonna be the bat, which I have to say is the one I've seen most commonly turned into a bag charm. Is it a bat? Drum roll. It's not. Oh my god, it's the pumpkin. Okay, I'm still not disappointed though. It is the pumpkin. This is adorable. You guys, I wish that these were like real, delicious, frosty, frozen treats that were made. Okay, I don't know why the pumpkin one smells like the most plasticky, but I'm gonna pretend like it doesn't. Okay, you guys, I'm kind of nervous about the candy corn now. How could I be so wrong? How did I think this was the bat? Although that is just what I said, is I feel like this little pointed thing at the top could be very confusing. You guys, I was right once, wrong twice. Sippy sippy. Let's hope I'm not wrong. Refreshing. Is it a candy corn? See, I'm just now realizing I forgot that they came with bases. So I wonder, although no, I don't think I was like feeling that. Oh, you guys. My mom swears that she felt his like jagged mouth, like he has a jagged smile, which I concur. I don't see another figure. Oh, no. Maybe. The pumpkin also has a jagged smile. Okay. You guys? Yay! Okay. Look, I should have let my mom pick them all. That is so funny. Although she literally thought the other ones were the other things too. So that is so funny. But yeah, maybe if I'm lucky enough to find these again at another spirit, maybe I will try and feel for the bat again. You know what's so funny is when I was picking them and I was feeling them, I was like just trying to feel like the external shape, and I didn't really think about like pressing and trying to find the facial features at all. So that's kind of a tip that's probably common sense to anyone but me. I don't know why I thought maybe they would put them in there in the bags like this so that you only could feel the shapes. That would definitely make them harder, but they don't package them like that. They package them like this. So if you're lucky like me and you get to find like a whole case of them, I feel like it's easier to hopefully find the one that you're looking for. Which also, like, I hope that the prices keep these at $14.99, because you guys, why does it also have $18.99 on the packaging? Because that's wild. $14.99 is already like very, very expensive. $18.99? No, that would have been that would have been wild. Okay, let me go around the room and we're gonna see how many messages I get. We're gonna see if we can get him to glow in the dark. I'm not sure that the lights have been shining on him bright enough the whole time. Why am I talking to you guys when I'm not even in frame? I don't know if he got enough like light. Okay. He's not glowing at all. Okay. Look, I really thought he would. Oh, he does! Okay, okay. I have the black light like right on him right now. This would probably like really glow if you like left him outside in the sun. Okay. Ooh, he's like really glowing on camera. But see, the back of him is like not really glowing at all. But if I put the light right on it, then it'll glow. Wow, I really like this one. Y'all, my printer just started blinking and that scared me so bad. All right. Well, this is how, like, maybe the lighting without lighting is not too bad. This is like just normal room lights. Is it spooky in here? Anyway, you guys, I love these. Dare I say, besides Labubu's, these are some of my absolute favorite mystery box things right now. I love these. They feel like really good quality. They look adorable. If you're somebody like me and you love to have like just a little bit of Halloween out all year long somewhere, I feel like this would be like a very cute item to put like on your desk or something. But you guys know me, I've always loved like vinyl figures and stuff. But yeah, besides Labubu's, are these my like favorite things I've opened in a long time probably. Although you guys, I'm now on the hunt as always. Like, I feel like Miniverse and Mini Brands so competitive. Like, they keep doing the same things. Because I can't believe on my timeline today, I just saw Miniverse make it mini baby food. So they are like literally directly trying to compete with the Miniverse Itty Bitty Teeny Tiny, or the Mini Brands 5 Surprise. They're not even called Mini Brands. Like, you guys, why can't I get it right? There is Mini Brands and then there's 5 Surprise. It's from the same company, but they don't always call everything Mini Brands anymore. Why? I guess they never did. It started out as 5 Surprise, then 5 Surprise Mini Brands, just in case you guys wanted like a lore. 5 Surprise did the mini baby, my mini real mini baby. And now there's like a Miniverse one. It comes with, I think, an even tinier baby and then like a bunch of food things that you like make. Crazy. Anyway, you guys, thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. I had what I would think a pretty good success rate. It wasn't in the bags that I thought it was gonna be, but I feel lucky to still have gotten 3 out of the 4 that I was looking for. So, round of applause. I have to say thank you to my mom, who also helped me pick these out, and she picked very accurately, might I add. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, at the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is gonna be very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very soon. Bye!